Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this is a simple and round plate is created here, and this plate is looking perfect and looking so nice. This plate design is a perfect design, and today this perfect is this body, this 3D body is designed here and used in CATIA software, and all process is and all method is learned here simply and clearly. Step by step we learn here. Okay, this is a all multi-section view is you can see here easily you can see here, and okay guys, and select this plate is a isometric view is drawing here, and this is a super looking here, and this plate is looking so perfect and looking so nice. Okay, and this plate is how to easily create here and how to easily all method is learn here to create a simple and round plate is created here, and all is perfect. Okay, one by one is all step is learn here. Okay, let's start here. Okay guys, at first select a mechanical design and use a generative set metal design, and click OK. All is perfect looking here, and use a XY plane. Select this is a okay, select this position sketch and select a sweep and reverse vertical and click OK, and this is a click a center rectangle, and rectangle is draw here. Okay, this is a round, click a circle and circle is draw here, and this is a mention any dimension. This diameter is a 190 is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and all is perfect, and this is a click exit. Okay, and at first this shift metal parameters is this button is click here, because at first select this button because all commands is activated, and this you can see here on the screen all command is not activated, and at first select click this button and click shift metal parameters, then all command is activated, and default value is setting here. Thickness is changed, and 1 millimeter is a thickness, and default bend radius is 4 millimeter, and you can see here, and you can change any value. Okay, click OK, and again click a wall is correct, and select this, and direction is in metal inside, and click OK, and this is a perfect, and the all plane is hide because this okay, undo, and plane is all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, looking so nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay okay, and this face is select, and position sketch is sketch here, and sweep and reverse vertical. Okay, click OK, and this body is looking so perfect, and this command is offset command is used here, and click this, and okay, click this, and this is a distance between minus 10 11 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and click exit. Okay, and use a surface stamp and click angle is a, and at first click this line and click angle is 60 degree. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a 65 is correct, and this is a 3.4 and again 3.2 and again this is a 3.4. okay, all is perfect, and this is a, this face is click here and all is okay. This is a, this design is created here and looking perfect. okay, okay, and again select this face and position sketch. Okay, this is a correct, and sweep and reverse vertical and click OK and fit all in. Okay, and again select offset command and click anywhere, and this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a -5 is correct. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Click exit and again select this surface stamp and click this line, this circle, and again this angle is 60 degree angle, and this is a 20 is correct, and this is a 5 is better, and this is a 18 is correct. Okay, and this body is looking perfect, and 18 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct looking here. This plate is created here. Okay, and all is perfect, and this is click here, and okay, this is a okay, 18 is correct. Okay, so nice looking here, and this body is perfect. Plate is okay, this is a 20 is correct. Okay, 20 is perfect, all is correct. Okay, and again select this is a, this, okay, this plate is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this line is create here and use a this teardrop. Okay, and some boundary is and this length is 1 millimeter, and this is a radius is 1 millimeter, and okay, this is a, this upper side line is click here, and all boundary is 1 millimeter and length is 1 millimeter and radius is 1 millimeter is preview is showing here. Okay, this is a okay bound, this is a correct, all is perfect looking here, and click this and material is apply here. Okay, and material is metal, metal is a steel, steel is this body. Okay, click and okay, this is a zoom out, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a looking here, zoom out. Okay, this is a, and right click property, reflectivity is very high, and this is a click. Okay, all is perfect looking so nice. This body is a, this plate is a looking so perfect, and all design is a nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, this is a correct, and okay, zoom. Okay, and multi section is used here, and so nice looking here. This body is a correct, and also this is a perfect. Okay, zoom. Okay, this is a also zoom, and also this body is a this looking so nice. Okay, and this is a okay, this is a back side is a okay, and this is a zoom. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, all is so nice looking here. This is a correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay. Okay, guys, all is method is looking so nice. Learn here, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and next project is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.